is Shibani. I hope you all are good and healthy and ready for today's session. Welcome to our science classes. Today's topic is global warming. Yesterday we have studied about greenhouse and greenhouse effects. So let's start with that preview so that you can understand better in today's class about global warming. So yesterday we have studied greenhouse. What is greenhouse? Greenhouse is a glass house made for suitable conditions for plants to grow in their cold climatic situations. If any plant is growing in cold climatic situation, then they are not getting their favorable conditions. So for giving them their favorable conditions, we grow plants in greenhouse. Greenhouse gives plants a suitable climatic conditions. That greenhouse same condition provides our earth. Suppose this is our earth, acts like plants. And this is greenhouse. And the glasses of the greenhouse acts like the glasses of greenhouse give earth the atmosphere. Means suppose that the earth is plant and the earth's atmosphere acts like greenhouse glasses. These greenhouse glasses re-emit the sun rays coming to the earth's surface have to pass with the atmosphere that is present around the earth. This glass structure giving earth the atmosphere, layers of air that protects the earth from outer climate. This is our earth. This is the outer atmosphere. And this is the sun. And this is the sun, which give rays. And these rays are of three types. These rays are of three types. The first rays is the UV rays. The second rays is the infrared. And the third rays that come from the sun to the earth is called visible rays. Rays. Now understand what these rays are saying. This is the earth in that is known as ozone layer. In our Earth's atmosphere, a layer is present that is known as ozone layer. That layer protects our Earth from the harmful UV rays and these UV rays are reflected back by the ozone layer present in our atmosphere. Now, second is the visible rays coming from the sun. These visible rays passes the atmosphere and comes to our Earth. And the last, the infrareds. Infrared rays come from the sun and reflected back by the Earth's surface to the space. They partially come to our Earth and partially reflected by our Earth's surface to the space. Infrareds. So visible rays come from the suns and come to our Earths. Now, in our Earth, there are present greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases which we have discussed tomorrow, that is used in our greenhouse for growing plants. Methane. These greenhouse gases come from two sources. One human-made and the other is the natural. So methane comes from the fertilizers or cow dungs, and carbon dioxide is released by human while breathing. Then the CFCs, which produces when we uses refrigerators and ACs. Next, the water vapor, which is also present in our atmosphere and in our environment. So these gases traps the visible rays comes from the sun to the earth, and this makes the earth warm. That we call globe warming. Globe warming. When these greenhouse gases enter the earth and trapped inside the earth, it warms the earth and globe becomes warm. That is known as globe warming. Now this globe warming, if these heat that trapped by the earth is become more, anything that we use is become more, then it will be harmful for us. You know now? So if these harmful gases, greenhouse gases, is trapping more and more inside the earth, then these will become side effect, and that side effect is known as global warming, meaning when globe becomes warm and warmer, that is means global warming, that we have studied today. Global warming means heating of earth due to unnatural ways. This is known as global warming. Means warming of globe. discuss what are the consequences of these global warming. Consequences of global warming. When this global warming happens, then it affects our glaciers, our snowy areas, our North Pole, our South Pole, and the snows, the ice that glaciers present in our globe are becoming warmer and they are melting. So these affects firstly the glaciers present on our earth and snowy areas. Becomes melt, becomes start melting. The temperature of the earth becomes higher. The temperature of the earth becomes higher. Next, these affect the changing situations for plants. So these changes the light duration and these changes the life cycle of plants. These affects the life cycle of plants. And birds' migration are also affected by the global warming. And many more other things happen due to this global warming, due to this undesirable changes of our earth atmosphere. And so consequences of global warming, we have studied it. Now we will study what are the ways we should do to reduce this global warming and save our earth and environment. So what we have to do? First, we have to use more renewable natural resources so that global warming could not happen. We should plant more trees. We should plant more trees and plants. We should reduce deforestation. Deforestation, we should plant more trees and we should use renewable resources. The most important thing that we have to remember that we should not use harmful gases like greenhouse gases. We should reduce the uses of greenhouse gases. And finally, we have to be use more and more greener ways so that we can switch to the earth saving zones. So thank you for your time and meet us in the next video. Till then, be safe and thank you.